morning. Praise the Lord. Let's learn hands-on maths today. We have positional vocabulary, that is from your math book, from page number 72 to page number 76. So what is positional vocabulary? Positional vocabulary is a position of a particular unit. Like what is the words, the vocabulary which you will use to address a position of a particular object. So we've learned few things as opposites as well before, like in, out, up, down, on, under. So these are all called as positional vocabularies. Let's learn them through a story and also few pictures which will help us to understand it better. So let's go to page number 72 right now. So here if you see, there is a cat which is in the box and the mouse is outside the box, out the box. Now this boy is up on the slider and this boy is down on the slider. Now here there is a puppy on the table and there's a girl under the table. So let's understand this through a story time. Now here in this story there are two boys who are named as Ren and Sam. They were playing football in the house. In is the positional vocabulary here. Ren's mom told them not to play with the ball in the house, but both of them did not listen to their mom. Now when mom left the house, they started to play again. So they were playing. While they were playing, the boy who's named Sam, he kicked the ball and it went in the water in the tub. So in is a positional vocabulary here. It went into the water in the tub. Now Sam quickly took it out, cleaned it and started to play again. So what is the positional vocabulary of the ball here? Out. Then Ren kicked it and the ball went up in the air and it hit the fan and then it came down. It hit the flower vase and then the vase broke into pieces. So here the positional vocabulary is up, in the air, up and then down. Then Ren and Sam, since the vase broke into pieces, they got scared and they picked up the pieces and threw them into in the bin. Right? Again, in. Now when Ren's mom came back, they told her, they apologized and they promised that they will never play in the house with the ball again. Alright. So, in, out, up, down, on, under. These are the words which are called as positional vocabulary. Now here on this page when you see, we have positional vocabulary that is on. So here we have to tick the position of the ball in each picture. Okay. Now here there is a box and there is a ball inside the box. So we will take the position of the ball is in. And here the ball is on the table. So we will take the position as on. Similarly, you have to do these two activities as your homework. In EVS, we learn the page number 64 and page number 65 where we are learning about the wonderful world. So our universe, the place that we live, the whole universe, it has the sun, moon, stars, the planets and the galaxies. Alright. So the sun is the biggest and the brightest star. Sun is also a star which is very big and it is the brightest. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Now if you look at page number 64, very clearly they have given you the indication of the sun and the rest of the planets which are in the solar system. Alright, so this entire part which the whole universe is with all the sun, moon and all the planets together is called as the solar system. Alright, so understand this better. We also have an activity which is on page number 65. In this universe, the third planet is the Earth. If you see here, this is the sun And the third planet is 1, 2, 3. So Earth, the blue and green color planet, this is called as the Earth. The Earth is the only planet where there is life. So where we all live, we all have life. So that is why this is the only planet which has life. Now what you have to do here in this page is draw a few beautiful things that you see on this earth and color it. So whatever you see beautiful things in and around you, you have to draw it and color it. We also have few questionnaires here related to the wonderful world, the universe that we learnt about today. The first question is, where do we live? You have to write the answer. Second, which is the brightest star? Third, name the satellite of our Earth. So, this is going to be your homework part. Kindly finish this homework. That is going to be your EVS homework. You also have homework in your Happy Learning Series math book. It is a quick recap of subtraction that we did in a previous class. So, here on page number 146, we have few sums, which will be a quick recap of subtraction. Let's do this right now, few sums. So here you have 5 minus 2 is equal to how much? So you have to minus 2 in 5. So we will draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to minus 2. 1, 2. Cut out 2 circles and the remaining circles are 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you write 3 here. Similarly, you have to do the rest of the sums. 3 minus 3. So you have 3 circles and you are going to minus 3. How many are left? Nothing at all. So it is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Similarly, you have to do the rest of the sums for your homework, which will be a quick revision of subtraction chapter. Parents, while your children are learning about the positional vocabulary in your math through the story, or while they are learning it through the activity which is given in the end of this particular chapter, and also about the wonderful world where they are learning about the sun, moon and the stars, and about the rest of the things that we learnt in our EVS chapter today, kindly take a video and share it to the school WhatsApp number. Homework will also be sent to your number. Thank you.